Hello guys, I'm Quark and I'm back with another video. Last time we have created a command handler and this time we will be creating an event handler. It should be quick and easy, so let's get started with it. Let's open our project. This is where we left off. We create a handler, a command ping. I'll run it for you. So here it's logged in. So today we will be continuing from this file. First of all, in index.js we have to export the client. So module.export client. After that, we have to create a handler. So this whole block is our command handler. So I'll name it start of command handler, and this one will be end of command handler handler. This will be start of event handler, so it will be underneath the commands. So it should be similar to this one. So let's get started. fs dot redirect sync will be using event dot for each file event equal fs dot read directory sync, and it will be dot slash event slash, and then we will filter it, so we can just copy this thing and paste. After that, we'll be creating a for loop. So for let files of event let get equal require, so we'll get the file. So dot slash event slash file. So these will get from the event folder, but since we don't have event folder yet, we have to create one. So I'll create one event. So as you can see here, we have created an event folder. After that, if you can get it, the event, so get.name client.event.set get.name get else continue. So this is our end of event handler. End of event handler. I'll format it, save. Alright, so we have got ourselves both command and event handler. So in event folder, we can transfer these. So I'll transfer that. Control X, create a new file called ready.js, and it will be, since we have export the client from the index, so it will be const client equal require dot slash index.js. Save it. Let's try run. Alright, log in as YouTube tutorial. So as you can see, in our index.js doesn't have anything. So let's try it out. I'll transfer message. So now your index looks so clean. I'll create a new file called message.js. I'll paste this in, copy the client, let's restart the bot. So as you can see, you can ping the bot. So I'll go on Discord. And here, I'll clear this channel. Okay, so the channel has been cleared, and we can try with our message event. So first we have, wait, it should be inside event. Yep, move. Okay, I'll restart the bot again. No dot ping. Okay, so we can try p dash p. Or prefix is not defined. So we have to copy this whole thing inside. Let's try the bot out again. It should be .config.json. Alright, dash p. As you can see, you can ping. So now we already have ourselves a command and event handler. You can create a new event, like, okay, for example, let's say guild member add.js. I'll require this. So client.on guild, it should be guild member add. I would say member arrow function, and you can type anything inside. So this event is gonna triggered when someone joined the server. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down in the section below. You can also join my support server if you got any concerns or any question. I'll be happy to help inside the server. So thank you, guys.